Hello, this is Logic. We have this button, just change the color. When you tap at your username, tap on your username, you go to update your profile. The system will allow you to update your profile. Just fill this information. When you fill them, then you come back here and click update. That is your profile. Then for this button, currently online, it is not working, but it has a lot of features. Let me show you how it works offline. After updating it, it will be working like this. You can find just your transaction history here, and when you change, you see deposit, change, see withdraw. So we have again you visit your community, viral links, survey. Here you can take your surveys, they are already there, but we are still implementing them for best user experience. We have ad center, you can create adverts, all types of adverts. You can see banners, YouTube, social media. This is all the features are here. You can see available ads to watch. So all adverts will be displayed on this page. Then you have there are many features. This is just a company profile, so you can go and read the little information about GoforusNet. Then these are subscription plans. We have this is finance services. You can check graduate quick start loans, content monetization. That's it. That is in the media house. Here you can find the paid surveys. So there are many features available here. So that's how it is working. But currently it is not working online. Only we are going to update once everything is okay. You are going to be able to access this button. So that's how it is working. Now this will be your account balance. Then here you can click here to deposit. Crypto, all methods are here. Those which are not available shall always update. Withdraw, the same process. Here, those who are taking courses can pay tuitions from here, their tuitions. But remember, tuition will be deducted from account balance. Then you can see your community, where you can find those people who are joining under you, those tables. Then here, earn more. Earn more. This is a very powerful tool. You need to use it. Earn more. Use this tool, please. We've got a lot of scripts, very good scripts that can help you to push your business or to grow your community. How much you make money passively here. But if you use these links, you just come here, read any good script you see, then copy it, go to paste on your status, social media, share with your friends. You just click in your link, then you start earning more. We have got unlock passive income mission to $34K. When you check their links, they talk it. You can see looking for a smart investment opportunity. GoforusNet Passive Income Generator is here. Join us to earn commission as you build your network for future. This is you can see unlock a world of financial possibilities with GoforusNet Passive Income. So these are scripts you can share on status, Facebook, all social media platforms you visit. So this is we've got, yeah, we have seen this total deposits, total earnings. This is the first plan. We have academic hunter, rank a student, and you can see number of referral clicks. This means this account shared links, but your account will always give you analysis. You can share like if it clicks, I mean if it shares 50 links, but you find a few people are tapping your links, so your account will always tell you. These are when people tap in your link, they come to register. You're going to see those bonuses of click bonus. Then at the same time, you earn what we call referral bonus, some percentage of their deposits, their subscription plans. So they'll be here. But these bonuses will be available when your account is active. Then this is join after you. These are commission that comes in. Every person joins after you. You join now, the next person who joins globally around the world. You collect commission from everyone. But those bonuses, they always come here. Pending bonus, they'll be pending until user starts to activate. When they activate or subscribe to any of our packages, it is when they are going to go to active bonuses, then you'll be able to withdraw. All pending bonuses, this means people who are in your system, those who join after you, their accounts are not active, but anytime they'll be upgrading as you make more money. These are members, the system always update. You just sleep and wake up in the morning, the number is just growing up to millions of users in your system. So these are the information. Here you can activate your account. Then here you can go and check to subscription plans. They are here. We have all the plans. All the plans are here. If you click here, you'll be taken to upgrade your account. So these are our plans. You can check here. Here you have your referral link. You can still copy your referral link here and share it here with others. Then you can click on this link to see this table, how you earn from everyone joining after you. You can make passively up to $34K. So this is a very rare opportunity. You just need to be part of it. Promotion center, you already find goods here, shoppings, market. So that's the promotion center. And there are many things here. We have business, download is education, charity. Here, these are savings. Those who go to finance, you can save your money. You can, if you have any current loan, maybe I've got a loan from our finance services. You'll be seeing them here. Deposits. These are retirement wallet. Then peer-to-peer lending. Users can lend other users for financial growth. Here you'll be seeing any transaction you do on your account, you'll be seeing some awards. These awards can be used as incentives to buy products, or we send good incentives at your home to your location when they accumulate. So this is GoforusNet.